This hidden gem deserves a spot on your bucket list. Welcome to Albania. Picture this: a stunning fusion of crystal-clear beaches, dramatic mountains, and untouched villages. Start your day in the pristine blue waters of Ksamil, often dubbed the Maldives of Europe. Next, journey to the ancient city of Gjirokastër, a UNESCO World Heritage Site rich in culture and history. Albania is brimming with incredible food, too. Think fresh seafood, savory byrek pastries, and fragrant lamb dishes, all celebrated in their unique Mediterranean cuisine. And here's the kicker: Albania remains one of the most affordable destinations in Europe, so you can indulge without stretching your budget. Plus, it's known for being welcoming, inclusive, and safe for travelers of all backgrounds. Pack your sense of wonder and let Albania surprise you. Where should we travel next? Subscribe now to join the adventure and uncover more hidden paradises.